Hey everyone, my name is Demeric Webb Rivera, and this is my startup project called Rank to Roll. The vision of Rank to Roll is simple, and that is to make sure that every veteran's service period translates into a well paid, meaningful civilian career. The whole point of this is to build a clear bridge between what we did in uniform and the opportunities that we deserve in the real world. The problem is, when veterans exit the military, they're stuck with a Duty 214 that has MOS code, rank, and leadership experience that doesn't translate clearly into the civilian job language. Also, employers often don't understand military jargon, leading to underemployment and frustration between hiring managers and employees. The solution to that problem is Rank to Roll. Rank to Roll is a web platform that translates "this is what I did in uniform" into "this is what it looks like in the civilian world." A veteran would start by creating a profile that has their service history as well as MOS and other relevant information. Rank to Roll will then show matching careers, salary ranges, and recommended education and certifications to the service member. Behind the scenes, this is where the database and database systems management systems from our class comes in. Rank to Roll will use a structured database combined with AI, all built around a table of MOS codes and what they mean, a table of skills attached to MOS, a table of civilian jobs linked to each skill, and a table of education paths like degrees, certifications, and boot camps. The target market for this is the everyday users are transitioning active duty service members, recently separated veterans, and service members who haven't started their transition yet who want to plan for their civilian careers. On the paying side, there would be veteran support organizations, career centers, coding boot camps, universities, and community colleges. Those organizations will use Rank to Roll to guide veterans into programs that can actually match their background, improve the organization's graduation and job placement numbers, as well as show veterans that they are truly understood and their military experience is not just a check mark on the box, but they're actually valued. For veterans, the core service is free. I am a veteran. I believe that they shouldn't have to pay for understanding what their own service is worth. Institutions would be footing the majority of this, and they would pay a subscription or licensing fee to offer Rank to Roll to their veteran students and clients. This will help highlight programs that match specific MOS codes and skills, as well as see trends about what veterans in their network are interested in. In a realistic startup scenario, Rank to Roll will look for about $150,000 in seed funding to build an MVP in the core matching engine using OpenAI and other database tools. We would also need funding to license and clean MOS skills and job market data, as well as run pilot programs with schools and veteran service organizations to help prove that Rank to Roll actually helps veterans land better roles. To wrap up, your rank, your MOS, and your deployments, your leadership skill, all of that matters. And Rank to Roll is designed to funnel that into the civilian world. Rank to Roll takes your story and translates that into a civilian language. Real job titles, realistic salary ranges, and clear next steps. My name is Demeric Webb Rivera, and this is Rank to Roll. Thank you for listening.